The Templo Mayor, the Aztecs known it as the Tela. Templo Mayor is a main Mexican temple located in the sacred precinct of the former Mexican capital, known as Tenochtitlan, which is now Mexico City. Located in the main heart of the city, the Templo Mayor was positioned in the center of Mexico capital and thus the entire empire. Under the reign of Installano, the building of Templo Mayor began in 1325 when Tenochtitlan was founded and has been rebuilt six times. Since 1325, the temple has been expanded and reconstructed, sometimes necessary because of the flooding and unstable grounds that it was built on. After the reign of Itzcoatl, his successor Montezuma I improved the temples. 1521, Spanish destroyed and built over the Templo Mayor. They put a Christian cross on top of it, and over the centuries it was gradually built over and disappeared beneath the 19th century colonial buildings in downtown Mexico City. The architectural style was Aztec architecture. Templo Mayor had twin temples on the top of the temple. Twin temple symbolizes two mountains. The twin temple, one was for the war god Huitzilopochtli, and the other was for the rain god Tlaloc. The two sacred mountains, one on the left represents the Hill of Sustenance, which is the patron deity Tlaloc. One on the right represents the Hill of Coatepec, the birthplace of Huitzilopochtli. It stands 180 feet tall, and the pyramid constructed along an east-west axis. Top of the stairwell, one would face the east and see Mount Tlaloc, and the other one would see the sunrise between the two shrines. As you walk up the steps on the left side, you have the shrine of Tlaloc, which is painted blue. It represents the summer solstice. It is also symbolic of the wet season. And then on the right side, you have Huitzilopochtli, which is painted red, and it represents the winter solstice, which is symbolic of a dry season and time for warfare. Tlaloc gives rain, but also gives storms, floods, and droughts. Huitzilopochtli is a god of sun or gold rulers and a patron of the city. The structure is made from volcanic stone and is covered in satok. The structure is also faced with lime plaster and brightly painted. Koyoxi stone is a volcanic stone relief carving, originally painted red, orange, white, and blue. Was created in the 1500s CE. Was located at the base of the Huitzilopochtli side of the temple. Graphic imagery depicting the Aztec goddess Coyolxauhqui, sister of the patron god Huitzilopochtli, who was killed by her brother when she attempted to kill their mother. She is beheaded and dismembered. It is a sacrificial stone placed at the bottom of the Snake Mountain. During the monthly festival of Pankutlaptipi, war captives were killed, rolled down the structure so that they landed on the monolithic to reenact and symbolize the defeat of Coyolxauhqui, who fell off Snake Mountain. Priests are armed with knives and rip out the heart of the person and even decapitate and dismember them also. War captives are sacrificed, but also children are even sacrificed. Their tears are considered a favorable link with the life-giving raindrops from Tlaloc.